Logging in, Mrs. TikTok FYP Management. She has logged onto TikTok. I repeat, she has logged onto TikTok. Prepare the content.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's time, it's time. I'm so excited. Okay, I only have a couple seconds. We can do this.
Hold. Get ready. You're up in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey you, it's Kyla Lou. Dang it.
Sorry, content number 976. Better luck next time. All right, let's get the next 300 pieces of content up and rolling. She's scrolling, people. She is scrolling.
Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. Man, your face just lights up my day. How did you do that? Well, now that I feel great because you decided to click on my video, let's talk about how you can turn your content from skip talks to TikToks people actually watch. See these 4 boxes here? In just the first 3 seconds, your viewer is waiting to see if your video ticks at least one of these boxes. And if not, they're quickly gonna become disinterested and scroll on by. Which, I'm smiling, but that's a bad thing. The first box is educational. And your viewer immediately asks themselves, am I gonna learn something here that I'm interested in?
Here's what to do if you're ever stuck in quicksand. Rule number 1, stop struggling. The more you struggle, the more you sink. Rule number 2 is sit down on top of the quicksand. It will make a layer so you float on top of the quicksand. Rule number 3, grab whatever you can get, especially sticks. Put them behind you to create more balance. Now I balance myself out, I'm gonna roll and pull myself out. And that's how you get out of quicksand.
5 bathroom cleaning tricks you need. Let your toilet bowl scrubber dry before storing. Put essential oils on cotton balls at the bottom of your trash bin. Stamp your toilet paper for a fancy finish. Scrub your shower with a Swiffer for hard-to-reach areas. Put essential oils inside the toilet paper roll to keep your bathroom smelling fresh.
Every single time I go live on TikTok, I get the question of if you should use hashtag FYP. And I'm making this video to pin it on my profile so nobody forgets that you should not use hashtag FYP. I even went to TikTok's creator portal. It says it right here, using hashtags like hashtag FYP or For You page will not help your discoverability. So let this be a reminder, save this video, send it to your friends, repost it, and stop doing it. End of story.
Other examples of educational content could include tutorials, how-to videos, recipes, product reviews, and step-by-step videos. The second box is entertaining.
I bought this wig at Walmart for I'm gonna wear it and I'm gonna try to make it look real. Of your mom brushing your hair in kindergarten. Let's see if Walmart hair can look natural. Oh my god, it's so hot. I look like that period girl. Should I do this while wearing the wig? Yes. Is it working? Look how straight that got. I could never. Maybe. I don't know. I had to take off the wig because everything was going everywhere. Just like my emotions. Your therapist said, do not joke about your things. But it's funny. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm gonna wear it. It's still puffy, but it's better. Or maybe I just have a big head.
My grandma died. I want boba. I got boba. She's still dead though. I'm okay. We weren't that close. My sister was close with her. Rip grandma. And it wasn't my dad's mom. It's okay. He's not sad because he's also dead. So there's that.
I think you guys get the idea, but before I go and change out of this ridiculous Cuban Pete costume, I do have one thing to say. I know a lot of you, yeah, I'm looking at you. I know a lot of you are gonna think that humor is the best way to grow on TikTok. And then your second thought is gonna be, well,
I don't think I'm very funny.
But I want you to remember that humor comes in a variety of different flavors, if you will, as I hit my blinds. And it's not the only way to grow on TikTok. Cuban Pete, out.
Bruh.
The third box is emotional. We love to see stories and content that come from the heart. And honestly, in this day and age, people are craving that real, raw, and authentic content on social media. And so they're gonna be actively looking for that kind of connection.
I don't like myself. And I know that sounds harsh, but hear me out. I don't like myself because I don't feel like myself. My place is a mess and I'm not taking care of the things that I'm supposed to be responsible for. Instead, during breaks, I'm trying to catch up by healing the burnt out version that I am right now. But what's really happening is I don't like the girl that's looking back at me in the mirror. She's not confident, she doesn't feel good in her skin. I'm in the peak of my life. I'm supposed to be happy and healthy and working on myself and making myself better, but instead I spend every day just realizing that I wish I was an older version of myself, which, to be honest, I don't even know if that version was happier either. But like I always say, it's a new day. It's the start of something new. I'm just kidding. It's my initiation to Happy Girl Summer, my personal spin-off of Hot Girl Summer. It's not that I'm already confident, but instead I think I have to refine it. I need to make time for me, but also my responsibilities. I need to find balance, I need to find purpose, so we're taking it one day at a time. Cheers to being just a little happier.
Having emotional content can also mean taking your viewers on a journey with you so they become emotionally invested.
I know I'm gonna cry saying this. For the past 2 years, you guys have been with me. You've watched my lives where I sat with you guys and we wrote this book. You helped me come up with a plot line. I read you chapter after chapter over and over, and you've sat while I edited and went through it and rewrote. Writing this book was the hardest thing I've ever done because it's the first book that I've written while I've had this internet thing going on. Hollow is a vampire book. It is Halloween vibes. It's like Twilight and Euphoria and Vampire Diaries all had a baby. And I'm terrified to put it out in the world. I wanted it to be perfect for you guys. So I'm here to tell you that finally, right now, in this very moment, Hollow is here for you. And I want to thank you for standing by my side and helping me create this. I hope you love it the way I love you.
And emotional doesn't always have to mean sad. There are obviously a lot of different emotions, and you can use that to your advantage when planning and filming your content in order to get your viewers excited to watch your content. And let's see if you can guess this last one. What's the word that comes to mind when you watch this video?
Idea though, but world teaches the habit of taking everything from you. But what it cannot take is your choice to keep moving forward! Sadly, it does not come without obstacles. Like fucking chairs and loose flooring! Every obstacle can be an opportunity to pull through, or in my case, go through. For that, go to battle scar. Anyway, love you.
Psychotic? Insane? No, those are not the words I was looking for. The word I was looking for was engaged. I didn't mean that engaged. I meant engaging. A great way to make your content more engaging is using hooks at the very beginning of your video. And a hook can include the things you say, the text on the screen, the audio or music you decide to use, movement. You've got a lot of options. Now, you don't have to use just one of these in your videos to stop people from scrolling to watch your content. You can use a bunch of different combinations, and if you're really ambitious, you can even try to use an element of all four in one piece of content. But you must realize, it's not enough to just tick one of these boxes. You must let your viewers know in how many seconds? Comment down below to let me know if you were paying attention. So there you guys go. Those are the 4 E's that you can start using today. If you guys found any value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing because it seriously helps out my channel so much. I also made another video here on my channel talking all about hooks. So if you guys want some more ideas, I'll make sure to link that down in the description below. I love you guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.